Hi, this is Javed Ashraf from Turbulent Academy. Turbulent Academy is a GATE exam coaching academy exclusively for mechanical engineers. We are about to release a series of tutorial on GATE exam. Now, rather than expanding more, we'll dive into the topic. First topic which you're going to see is engineering mechanics and engineering mechanics. And the syllabus for this part is going to be Freebody Diagrams, next is equilibriums, trusses and frames. Okay, before going into the subject, we'll see what is engineering mechanics. Engineering mechanics studies which is concerned with the bodies which is under the action of force. For example, it might be anything. For example, if they have a structure, if you have a body in which some kind of force is applied, what is it going to be its behavior? All these kinds of study comes under engineering mechanics. Among them, we are going to see this free body diagrams, equilibriums, trusses and frames. So first we'll see what is free body diagrams and what is equilibriums and how are we going to solve all these problems. Before going deep into this, we need to know some basic stuff regarding reactions and their supports. This is very much important because we need to know what is the reaction given by the body to us. For example, we know very well that if I am going to slap my friend, obviously he is going to return it by slapping only, right? So I need to know what is the impact by doing something, what is the impact is going to be. Like for example, now we are going to see reactions and their support. The first reaction which you are going to see is roller support. I am going to have a link like thing or carriage like thing or anything. So the reaction for this force is going to be only in the vertical direction. I'll come to this with practical examples, don't worry. I'll get you one more example of a roller reaction. Even for this link, the reaction is going to be in the vertical side. Okay, what is meant by the reaction, what is meant by supports and all those stuff, blah 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 and all. Fine. First is, if you have a roller, I could say that roller, it allows the flow in XY direction like this. X, not in Y direction, a plus X and minus X direction. So it allows the flow, but do you think it allows in the Y direction? Obviously not. It is being resisted in the Y direction, which is what we have shown over here in the Y direction. I could explain you this using one more example. Assuming a man is standing on the ground. Myself, obviously, I am standing here. Will I be able to go inside the earth? Obviously no. Okay, but I can travel like this, I can go like this, I can even jump like this. This guy can even jump happily like this, right? Dotted lines. He is jumping from the ground. Okay, so this is also can be assumed as a roller. Okay, because we don't have a wheel as of now. For you to understand, he can move, this guy can move in the X direction but not in the Y direction, downwards. Okay, now next step for you to understand this concept is, assuming you have a truck. Okay, we have a truck. For example, I am very poor at drawings, so please bear with me. So we have a truck in which wheel is fixed. Wheel is connected to the ground actually. It allows the truck to move in X directions. It can move in the roadways, right? But will the wheel go inside? No. It offers a reactive force. That earth offers reactive force on the wheels. Now I guess you will be able to understand. I'll show you one more example of what is going to be the roller support. One second. I got it. Assuming this is the roller support and I have a note, okay. So this is the link which I have shown over here. Assume this is the roller support like this and this is the note. I am going to have it in this way. This note can move in the X direction very easily. But will it be able to move down? Obviously no, only if my hand is resisting it, and it can't move down. This is what roller support gives. It gives the reaction in the vertical direction. Okay, fine. Now I guess you have got a good understanding of what is a roller support, and the reaction for a roller support is going to be, as I said you before, only in the vertical direction. Roller may be like this, like this. Okay. Next we are going to see pin support.